Howdy guys, hope everyone's having a great day. So today's video is going to be on this customized container that we did for a guy over here in South Carolina. Not sure exactly what he's using it for, but he wanted 2 windows, a man door, lighting and electrical, and an AC unit. So that's what we did for him. And he also wanted a paint job. So we painted this black because that's the color that he picked. Not the color I would have picked, but it turned out pretty good. He's going to be doing something with the door as far as paint and stuff goes on his own. So we can pretty well customize these out to the point that you guys want them to be customized to, and leave any work that you want to do to it to yourself to do. We're totally willing to do that. We don't have to completely finish it. If you just need the fabrication work done on it, we can do that, and you can install everything yourself to save you some money. We put a 11,000 BTU AC unit, heating unit in this container. The reason we did that, and we oversized the unit, because these are metal and so they dissipate heat and cold. They're not the most efficient things to heat and cool. So you want to be able to, you want your AC unit to be able to keep up with it, so you're not dying of heat or freezing of cold. But we have bars on these windows too, security bars we put on, so that this is a secured container. It makes it a little harder to get into if someone decides they want to break into it. He's probably going to be putting a lock box on this container on the outside as well, so someone can't just get some bolt cutters and break into it. He may be securing the door a little better, I'm not sure. But I mean, it's pretty secure as it is, so I'm not too worried about that. This AC unit will be permanently fixed in there once it gets to the customer's location, and sealed and all that kind of stuff, so someone can't break in through that. It's going to be bolted to the container from the inside. We have lighting and electrical as well. You can see these 4-foot lights on either side. These are actually LEDs. They are not fluorescent lights. They're 5,000 K LEDs, so natural daylight color spectrum, and they're about 5,000 lumens, so they're very bright. This container brightens up big time. It gets really light in here when those lights are on. We did these custom electrical outlets, and these lights up here plug into the outlets at the top, and then the outlets at the bottom are for whatever they need to use them for. So we used the advantage of a steel container, and we stuck neodymium 100-pound, 2 100-pound neodymium magnets to each of these receptacle boxes. That way you can actually move it around, which is pretty neat, because if you need to do something in a different location, you can pick that up and move it to make it so that you can plug it in wherever you need to. This is just stuck up with magnets as well to hold it in right there. But yeah, that allows you to kind of move these receptacles around as you need to if they're in the way, because you got something in here and you needed them moved to a different spot. Makes it quick and easy to do. These lights are not tied into a light switch. They have switches right here. But what the customer's probably going to do is end up putting in those plug-in remote controlled receptacles up there. That way he can just use a remote to turn the lights on and off instead of having to flip the switches every time. We fit this AC unit into that opening so it fits pretty dang tight. That way there's less leakage, even when you have the gasket material around it. It makes it so that it's nice and secure. It's not going to fall out on you. But yeah, again, Botifers Welding is the one who did all the fabrication work on this out of Barnwell, South Carolina. I work side by side with him in this project, and it turned out good. So I'm pretty pleased with it. Yeah, if any of you guys need something like this done, you just let me know, because we can customize containers for anyone in the US and have them shipped. A container like this is going to be going anywhere from $8,500 to $10,000, depending upon what all you want done to it. So And that includes the delivery as well here in the South Carolina area. If you're outside of that area, then the delivery cost will of course change, because delivery is not cheap right now. So yeah, hope everyone enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed, feel free to subscribe if you want to see more of this content. If you'd like to see us building a container out and want to see it in action, we can do that. Just let us know in the comments. If we have enough interest, then we'll probably do some filming in the next build, or one of the next builds to come in the future. But all right, everyone have a great day, and hope to see you next time.